Hi everyone, how are you my dear children? Hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are going to start with lens formula, or you can say lens maker formula. What is this lens formula? Lens formula is nothing but 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by e. How mirror formula we have studied, in same way lens formula. So this is the equation that gives the relation between your focal length. This is your focal length, okay, and this is your image distance, and this is your object distance. U is your object distance. So this lens formula or this equation gives the relationship between the focal length, image distance and object distance. So what it basically gives you? When objects are placed on different position, different kinds of images are found at different position for both concave and convex lens. This thing we have already studied. Okay, so using this equation we can calculate the image distance, the kinds of image also we can calculate. Okay, so before using this formula we must know certain rules how to use this formula. How we have studied different sign conventions in case of mirror, in same way we are going to use Cartesian sign conventions. Okay, Cartesian sign conventions. We are going to use certain rules using this so that we can calculate or we can solve the numericals using the lens formula. First point, optical center should be the origin. For both concave and convex lens, your optical center should be the origin. This is your optical center, this is your optical center. Okay? And object is taken on left hand side of the lens. Object is taken on left hand side of the lens. And all the distances are measured from the optical center. All the distances means the object distance and the image distance. Focal length, everything should be measured from optical center for both the lenses. And distances are measured if the distances are measured in the direction of incident light. Suppose this is the direction, now this is the direction of incident light. If distances are measured in the direction of the incident light, then it is positive. If it is opposite to the direction of the incident light, then it is negative. Is it clear, children? Okay. What is the next point? Next point will be the height above the principal axis will be positive and below the principal axis is negative. If very crucial point, focal length. Your focal length for convex lens is what? Positive, and for concave lens it is negative. Is it clear, children, all the rules before using this lens formula? Optical center is the origin. All the distance are measured from the origin. If the distance, what you are measuring is in the direction of incident light, then it is positive. If it is opposite to the direction of incident light, then it is negative. Then height above the principal axis is positive, height below the principal axis is negative, and the focal length for convex lens is positive and focal length of concave lens is negative. Let us see. We'll see one example how to use this formula and how to apply all the sign conventions. Suppose a convex lens, one example we'll see. Suppose a convex lens of, we are using a convex lens. This is only one example, or different types of numericals we'll see after the power of lens. So convex lens of focal length f is equal to 20 centimeter is given. An object is placed 40 centimeter from the lens. Object is placed, suppose convex lens na, this is your convex lens. Okay, your object is placed 40 centimeter from the lens. Find the position of the image, where you will get your position of image. This is your question. Object distance means what is given? U. Okay, U is given 40 centimeter. Now tell me, U is given 40 centimeter, whether it will be positive or negative. Your incident ray of light will be like this, and all the distances are measured from the origin. You are measuring the distance opposite to your incident ray of light, so U will be negative now. Got it? Okay, got it. And your focal length is for convex lens, focal length you know over here. So your focal length is 20 centimeter. So f is positive. Clear, children? Where you will get image. Let us use our formula, lens formula, or you can say lens maker formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So f, in place of f, what you will put? 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v minus 40. Is it clear? Let me erase this. Now just rearrange the equation. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20. This will be plus, minus, minus, plus. When you take into this side, it will be minus. It is minus 1 by 40. Take the LCM, 40, 22 minus 1. So it is 1 by 40. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by 40. So v is equal to now 40 centimeter. So it is positive. So where you will get the image? You will get the image over here. Is it clear? On the right hand side. Here it will be your image position. 40 centimeter. Is it clear? So like this, you will use your sign convention and lens formula to find different positions of the image. Hope I am clear with this. So in my next lecture, we are going to discuss the magnification, what we have already discussed while discussing different positions of the object. Still, I am going to discuss magnification and power of lens. After that, we will be solving some numericals. Then we can start our last chapter, that is your eye, rainbow, prism, all those things. Even while uploading 9th class also, maybe another 2-3 lectures. The 9th class syllabus will be also be over. Then I will start uploading with my 11th class videos. So once I am done with 10th syllabus, I will start uploading the 12th syllabus also. Okay, so maybe from May I will start with 11th while uploading 10th videos, and from June I will start both 11th and 12th. Okay, and we will be discussing all the tricks and everything for entrance examinations, and all the numericals, different problems we are going to discuss while covering the 11th and 12th syllabus for all the boards, state boards, CBSE boards and ICSE boards. Okay, children? Okay. If any doubt, please leave a comment in comment section box. So I will be happy to address your doubts. Take care children. Thank you for watching.